Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your Wix template, so let's get right into it. Now, you cannot change your template once your site has already been created. So, as you can see, I'm in the editor already, and I'm using a template, and at this point, I have no option to change the template. Once you select a template, that is it, and there is no way to change it, unless you delete your site and create a new one, which I will be showing you. But first, I'll be showing you how you can change the look of the template. You can very easily go to site design, and then you can select the site theme, the color theme, text theme, page background, as well as page transitions. You can change anything in here if you want to, and that will technically change your template into something else, but it won't change the template completely. Now, as you can see, this is, I forget which site this is, but that doesn't matter. I'll just switch to it over here, and I'm pretty sure it is this site, maybe. And what you're going to want to do is just delete the site, and to delete it, you don't need to click on it. You need to go into My Sites or go to All Sites, and you just go here. And once you're in this site overview page, you just need to find the site that you want to delete. In this case, I think this is the site that I wanted to delete. So just click the three dots here, which are site actions, move to trash, and it'll be kept in the trash for 3 months. And you can recover it if you want to, but at this point, it's gonna be gone, and you can just create a new site with the exact template that you want. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.